Hello, this is Bobby from Copel TV Repair with a quick video troubleshooting Vizio SV420M. It's an older model. This is what it says the main board is, which has a symptom of just standby yellow light on the front and no response to anything, doesn't power on, doesn't do anything. This is just a quick checking tip for all those who are quick on the button to order an EEPROM. A lot of people are making money off you guys by just selling your parts that may or may not be working. We, Copel TV Repair, also sell EEPROMs for some models, and it is because we have seen them fail on the boards, and probably others do too. But far not always the EEPROM is what goes bad on a board. And sometimes it is possible to say when an EEPROM is bad, and other times it is not possible, because if an EEPROM fails, there is no something that you can measure with a voltmeter that will tell you, yes, that is what is bad, unfortunately. Other times though there is, and this is one of those times. Before even taking the board here, I'm making this video because I noticed that the output resistance of this voltage regulator, which is apparently what this is 8 ohms. Now, even if that was 1 volt output, which is the lowest I have seen in powering processors and everything, 8 ohms as an output impedance is way too low. Something is messed up on that board. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm pretty certain it is not the EEPROM. Now, the EEPROM may still be bad. It may have failed for a number of reasons, like in whatever caused that failure here, but that's less likely. What I know for sure is that replacing this is not going to change anything on the board. I have never seen an EEPROM being shorted. I have seen an EEPROM that doesn't want to read, doesn't want to write, but I have not seen an EEPROM that was shorted to give those 8 ohms. So, of course, there will be many other boards, like I have a similar board over here, which doesn't have that problem. It's still not working. That was sent by a customer, and it doesn't have that resistance, and it still doesn't power on. So the problem there is different. It may be the EEPROM, but in this case, this is one quick check, and you can, I just run a test on all of them to see for unusually low. Now, 200 ohms is quite fine. 300 ohms, 100 ohms, that's ground. That is, could have been short, but on some of them the output is actually on another leg. So one of them is normal to be shorted. One of them could be to the ground, not necessarily, but usually at least one of them will be short to ground. And apparently this is not the case here. 8 ohms and 7 ohms. Those two are practically shorted. That is abnormal, and most likely the problem will be underneath here. It's possible it may be here, it's possible it may be anywhere else. I will have to troubleshoot in addition. For the time being, just before you start ordering EEPROMs, know to test the voltage regulators for apparent shorts. Anything under, I would say, 20 ohms on average, and that varies from board to board, is strongly suspicious. Even for output for 1 volt at 20 ohms, it's sort of doable. It's okay. But anything below that is strongly suspicious. Hope that helps many of you order avoid ordering purchases that are not necessary. Good luck in your repairs, and let us know if we can help.